Fhluir o Scotland, when will we see your like again, that fought and died for your wee h-Albann and stood against him? Proud Edward's army and sent him homeward to think again. The hills are bare now, and autumn leaves lie thick and still, o'er land that is lost now, which those so dearly held and stood against him. Proud Edward's army and sent him homeward to think again. O Lord na h-Albann, Queen of Shin and Shore Shalike, a his go boss, son and bilag fjordes vreich, a his and negi. Fiach alla liafar, ruaig egachi, Those days are past now, and in the past they must remain, but we can still rise now and be the nation again that stood against him. Proud Edward's army and sent him homeward to think again. Hanyach dri danger, ach chichain chanemi vi, is fetish in eri, guvina riogarish a hesen nagin, viaku aliavad, saruai kegahi, looks me.